Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to see the missing indicator method. The missing indicator method does not impute missing values. You again will need a data imputation method to impute missing values. However, the missing indicator method creates a new variable for every feature with missing values, and this allows you to capture the missingness by specifying which value is missing and which value is not missing. This can lead to an improvement of your final predictive model, and I really please use it. So if we have variable x1, we create a new variable x1r which captures the missingness. So this cell was missing, so we indicate here the missingness, and we also do a very simple imputation in this case. So how you can run the missing indicator method on Python? What you do is go to what you need to do is import missing indicator from sklearn.impute, specify your training data and your test data, and call the missing indicator. Please specify features equals all for debugging purposes, and get an object. Fit it on the trained data and transform the test data and the trained data with it. Let's run this. And boom, we have missing indicators. You append this matrix to your original data and you are good to go.